How to fix Instagram all notification problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you that how you can fix the entire problem of your Instagram notification. I'll tell you that how you can fix all the problems regarding notification which you are facing in your Instagram account. So guys, what happened is most of the people, most of our friends message us and they update their stories and they do everyday activities on Instagram, but what happened is we do not receive any kind of Instagram notifications. Or you can say that if you want to fix all those problems, then how you can fix, in this video I'll show you that. So guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive all the latest update. Now let's begin the tutorial. Okay guys, we have two different way to fix a notification problem of our Instagram account. First is we can do it by visiting our Instagram profile, Instagram account. And another way to do is an external option which is in our Android settings. Okay, I'll show you the first settings, and then if it doesn't work on your from your Instagram account, then I'll set you the different option which will definitely work. Okay, the very first thing you have to do is open your Instagram account and then click on the down below, on the right down below, as you can see on your profile, and then click on the top right corner, and then as you can see setting option, just click over it, and then you have an option of notification, just click over there. And as you can see guys, the very first option we have is pause all notification. Guys, if you have this option enabled, then you have to disable this. Okay, if you have enabled this option, then you won't receive any kind of notification from your Instagram account. Okay, you have to close this. And then as you can see, we have now another options like post stories, comments, following his followers, Instagram messages. So just click on the post stories and comment. After clicking there, as you can see, you have an option from everyone. Just select it, everyone. You have to select everyone, like and comments on your photos. You have to select this one also, everyone, and then select everyone. Okay, all of this should be everyone, and then comments, likes also on. Okay, click on the on and from everyone. And after doing this, the same thing you have to do on the following and followers. The same thing, keep it on, and then enable on, just click it on and from everyone. Okay, and then go back, and from direct message also, if you want to receive the direct message, if you are facing any problem regarding direct message option, then just click on, let it be on. Okay, let it be on. And then as you can see, live and IGTV, you have to select everyone and on here. The same thing goes to everyone. Okay, reminder and product announcement, everything, each and everything, you just click on the on. Okay, other notification type, suppose if you want to receive email and messages, whatever the activities that has been done on Instagram account, then you can select feedback emails, reminder emails, product emails, news emails, and text emails. If this happens, in that case, if you want to receive any kind of notification through the email, then you have to enable all this. Okay guys, so guys, this is how it works. And the second option to fix this problem is, the very first thing you have to do is update your Instagram application. Okay, first update your Instagram application. So after doing this, definitely your problem will be fixed. But guys, suppose if it doesn't work still, then the second thing to fix your notification problem is by visiting your mobile settings. Just go to your mobile settings, and then from here, as you can see, you have an option of manage app management. Just click over it, and then here you'll get all your application which is installed in your mobile. So guys, now what you have to do is you have to find out Instagram here. As you can see, Instagram here, click over it, and then from here go to manage notification. Okay, go to manage notification, and from here, as you can see, you have allow notification option. If this is disabled, then you are not going to receive any kind of notification. You have to allow this, you have to enable it. Okay, you have to enable it. And then you can also manage Instagram direct, you have to allow this as well. And you have to go Instagram direct request, you have to allow this as well, you have to allow this as well. Okay, so guys, this is how you will fix this is how it will be fixed, your Instagram notification problem. I hope this video definitely helps you. Thanks for watching.